Good afternoon, folks. So this is a Synthetic Thatch Tiki Hut Endured brand. Look how nice it looks. It looks realistic, just like the natural thatch. Check it out. This is the outside view. All the poles are pressure treated pine. This is about a 400 square foot tiki hut. It has natural cypress for the beams, rafters, and purlins. If you're looking for a synthetic thatch installation, be sure to contact us. We welcome any and all projects, no matter the size or the location. Contact us as soon as possible to get it done by the summer. Get some shade in your backyard or commercial location. The synthetic thatch is good for 20 years. It's fire rated. No worries about bugs or insects or fire. Be sure to contact us today.